Production of a second B-21 stealth bomber is underway at Northrop Grumman's facility in California, while the first Raider is expected to roll out in early 2022 and fly in the middle of that year. The Air Force predicted it could fly the secretive B-21 for the first time in December 2021. The first Raider hasn't yet reached final assembly, but is really starting to look like a bomber. A second plane, now moving down to production line, will allow the Air Force to wet the airframe. The B-21 will be available for service around 2026 or 2027. The Air Force estimated the cost of developing and buying the first 100 aircraft at $80 billion in 2016 dollars. The Air Force plans to spend about $300 million on military construction projects for the B-21 in fiscal 2022 and $1 billion over 5 years. The service requested $2.8 billion for the plane's research and development in fiscal 2021 alone, though the price tag is still evolving.